So I got this in Saturday. It's from Victoria Moon, and it finally came in. I'm so excited. I guess I've been ordering at the wrong time because it was just right after Christmas during New Year's, and everything I have ordered so far has been on the slow boat or something. I don't know. So probably because of the holidays, it was probably, I should have waited a little bit longer, but I didn't. So let's get started. I don't want to ruin the picture, so I'm going to just do that. I fell in love with this picture. And some of you that know me know how much I love angels. So I'm super excited. I never ordered from them before, but I have seen box openings from this. So I'm not going to take my scissors to this because I don't want to cut the canvas on it. Okay. What do we got here? Let's see. We got a list of the drills, and they are 29 of them. And it looks a little hard to read for me. But here we are. And and the drills. Let's get the painting. I got a small one, and I didn't realize it was double adhesive until someone told me. But I'm going to attempt to open this, and so yeah, because you have to open them a certain way. Let's see here. I've never ordered from this company before. Oh, they have a little foam piece in it. Okay. So this is I don't remember. Right here, you can see that? Hopefully it'll focus. It's an angel family looking thing. And let's take a look. If you can see, hopefully I don't. I like the canvas. DIY 5D. Let me slowly peel this off. Oh, I just want to be careful. So the numbers look like they're easy to read. And those of you that diamond paint, is the circles mean there's training wheels on them? I don't know. And then there's the top part. Let's see if I can get more of this picture. Let's see here. Just gotta be careful. I guess if you do certain things with this, you get into getting rivers and bubbles and stuff like that. Sorry, if you heard the door open, my daughter just walked in the room and saw that I was filming. Can't really tell. I don't want to take any more off. But that's part of it there. And you can see the angels somewhat in there. I don't know. I think that looks really good to read. I'm going to just carefully put that back on. I'm just going to lay this to the side. I'm not going to roll it. For now, I'm just going to leave it there. All right, let's take a look at the drills. So, if I can get into the bag. Let's see what we get. Okay, so you get your standard kit. It has the tweezers, the one placer, the boat tray, or the boat tray, I guess what you call them, the wax, sorry, I'm struggling with the paper here. Okay, so the tweezers. Oh, those are sharp. If you have anything like this, definitely keep them. Is that focusing? From kids. That is sharp. And you get this one placer, and I think this is a, what do you call this, to line it up maybe? Let me know down in the comments below. And your wax right here, and what is this? And then some kind of adhesive stuff. I'm not sure. Allison, if you watch this, what is this for? And is this a like a lineup thing? I can't remember. Okay, so there's that. Let's take a look at these drills. Looks like these are individually bagged, which is kind of cool. I like that. So we have those. Those are pretty. And those. Oh, those are pretty. Those. It's kind of like a, what, terracotta maybe? Those. It's a brownish color. More of these, which is number 26. Let's see here. That's kind of like an off-white color. And like a peach color. It's like a purplish. There's some pretty colors in here. I've actually, some of these are my favorite colors. There's that. And that. Let's see here. Then you got this pretty pink. And I haven't seen any intruders in here yet. Another pretty pink. Pretty pink. Off-white. And like another one. Pretty colors, huh? I like that these are in their own individual bags. That's nice. There's that. And more of this pretty purplish color. And that. And that. Here's another one. I love this color. It is really pretty. Number 3. And I like that these are really cute labels. They have the stickers on them. I like that. And that wonderful peach color. So, yeah. So this is a 25 by 25. Let's see here. These, to me, don't look that hard to read. What do you think? And that has the other angel that's on there. See that? You can see that? I'm sorry for the glare. I'm filming off my phone. Yeah. Someday I'll get a camera. So there's that. Okay. And just gotta be careful. Anyway, there's that. Set that aside. So tell me what you think of my painting. I have a couple of them I'm still working on, or I have one I'm working on, one I'm gonna start working on soon. I don't know if it's gonna be this one. Yeah, I really like how they come in individual baggies though. That's pretty neat. Yeah, let me know down below. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I love comments because I like to interact with people. Please watch my video all the way through or mute it or something. My watch hours are so low. It's like under 100. It's really pathetic. I need to get my watch hours up. I'm going to really start focusing on that. So, yeah, watch my video all the way through if you would. I think that's it. I will put the website down below in the description box of the Virginia Moon, Victoria Moon, Virginia. I'm not affiliated with them or anything, but if you want to check out their paintings or whatever, you can go and do that. And so I'm going to get off here and load up my video. I have a little Michael's haul I'm going to be showing next. So yeah, so I will catch you guys later. Be kind to one another. Bye.